They already made me a fan. They already made me a fan. I gotta steal them. What y'all think, YouTube? I'm looking better yet? Rico looking better yet. Of course, I was looking crazy. We'll keep going and checking at the end. Alright, YouTube, so they did a great job, and I want to give them a shout out on camera just so if you're ever in town here in Brazil, you know where to come to get a haircut. So here's my man, tell them your name and introduce yourself.
My name is John, I'm from Brazil, and we are here to make people better, looks great. Nice to meet you guys, have a nice week.
Alright guys, so the name of this shop is called
Barber Factory.
Barber Factory. Alright, so I got the information here on this card, you can see it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description on the channel. Make sure you come and show some love. Rico out, thanks.